Conversational AI is a very popular topic today. We see numerous examples all throughout the day. At home, you may have a home assistant such as Alexa or Google Home, or apps such as Google Assistant for setting up your appointments. If you are traveling for work, you may be talking to airline reservation chatbot for travel arrangements or hotel concierge services for hotel reservation. Conversational AI is everywhere, home, work, you name it. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you probably have Siri ready to work at your voice command. During COVID-19 era, the emphasis on online customer engagement is rapidly increasing, and more organizations are moving from static web pages to messaging interfaces. So, how do you start defining a conversational AI solution that goes beyond simple messaging? Conversational AI Benefit Case. On behalf of the Applied AI Institute, we welcome you to the course Conversational AI Benefit Case. This is the first course in our Conversational AI series. In future courses, we will cover design and development of conversational AI solutions using open source and commercial tools, as well as testing and deployment ideas on how to improve, operate, and govern such solutions. This course has been developed for working professionals. As you know, conversational AI is a topic of interest among many professionals, including those working for business organizations, public services, educational services, and non-profit organizations.